Yeah. No, that's how we roll. We stop at town, we have to light one up. So you want this kind of tour? Come on down, you get it. I pick you up, I drop you off, I take you right around the world if you want. That's how good I am. Yeah, man. It's nice going down the road. We're in NEGRIL. We're on a tour of the West End. So you know what it is. Going down the west, you see lots of interesting things.
Like what?
Lots of things. Gifts. Nice places to stop for a beer. Smoke a split. And sceneries. Yes.
I have a question for you, Rexy.
Yes.
Is there a bad place in Jamaica to smoke a spliff?
A bad place to smoke it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Where's that?
At the police station. And at the courthouse. Two bad places. Let's go get some breakfast, Frankie.
What do you suggest?
My place.
All right, sounds good. Let's do it.
So what's your favorite part of NEGRIL?
Well, my favorite part of NEGRIL is down by me on the west end. It's sexy Rexy.
Why is that your favorite part?
Because that's the part that I love, because even the owner from Rexy love it. He comes there all the time. He said he loves it more than his own place.
Why? What about it?
Because it's little and nice. Yeah, not big like there.